Welcome to the Surgery Center at Pelham. I'm Kathy, one of the clinical directors. If you're looking to undergo elective surgery, you may be searching for a place to provide treatment. At the Surgery Center at Pelham, we provide high-quality treatment at an affordable price with a family atmosphere that makes you feel at home. We specialize in a number of services, from ear, nose, and throat to joint replacements. The Surgery Center at Pelham is partnered with some of the top surgeons in the upstate. This allows you to choose who you're comfortable with for your procedure.
Hi, I'm Dr. Frank Armacida. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at the Surgery Center at Pelham. We're particularly excited about a couple of initiatives that we have going on here at the Surgery Center at Pelham. One that's very near and dear to my heart is our total joint replacement program. We are in our 5th year of doing this particular program. What's exciting about it is you're able to go in and treat patients and allow them to go home on the same day after having a total hip or total knee replacement.
Everything that we do will have you back at home the same day. From the moment you arrive until the moment you're discharged, our highly trained staff is by your side to provide you comfort and care that matters.